resource group others test, storage name, view as you required, as you need. We are going with Sud. Sud is already taken. So we're trying with SUD. SUD pass. It has taken. Now let's go with Azure Blob Storage. Let's make review plus create. It's creating it. Create. It's initializing a deployment. It's initializing a deployment at here. The deployment is in a progress. We have to get right here status accepted. Accepted. Look, we have got a status of accepted. In a shorter time, it's going to be deployed successfully. Deployed successfully. Okay. This is our deployed one. Passes 1, 2, 3. We have to upload right here a photo or an image which you require to see. Selecting one and we are dropping right here. We are creating a new container. Name Sudhakar. Okay. Successfully, the container was successfully created. And let us upload. The blob has been successfully uploaded it. Okay. Now we go to collab. We have installed Azure Storage Blob, Matplotlib Pillow libraries, and we have copied a simple Python code to connect with the cloud Azure. Here we have to go through with storage accounts. Passes. Here we look the passes 1, 2, 3. This is our account. Under security networking, we are looking at the access keys. Here we have to copy a connection string. We have to paste in the Google Colab. We have successfully done, and we have to paste the container name. Let me look what is the container name. Storage accounts. Let us look over right here. Here containers. We are going to look our name called Sudhakar. Sudhakar. We have uploaded the image name called view.jpg. We have to replace that you.jpg. Okay. We have successfully done with this code and we have to run this particular code. Let us run. It's debugging. Look, we have got the image what we have uploaded in the cloud. This is how to make a cloud to be get connected with the what you're using, the blob images, storages, and etc.